The motivation behind this project is to contribute towards the fulfillment of two important targets of Government of India for the year 2022. That is, installing 100 gigawatts of solar power generation capacity and doubling the farmers' income. A major challenge in the former is the availability of land. In order to preserve our precious agricultural land, the plants are installed on barren lands in remote locations. However, the grid infrastructure required for evacuating the power increases the cost to a great extent. On the other hand, a large section of farmers is dependent on timely rains for agriculture. Sometimes the vagaries of weather, such as prolonged drought or floods, spoil the crop, and net yield from the land is much below the expectation. Farmers are also deprived of the value chain because of lack of good quality electric supply. The solution which is developed under this project and is demonstrated in Dayal Educational Institute, Agra, is centered around a multiple land use model of solar structures which enable both solar and agriculture farming on the same land. Each structure is of 18 feet height and accommodates 11 kilowatt of solar capacity. The project comprises of 19 elevated structures with 200 kilowatt peak solar capacity. The model is also ideally suited for government's Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan, that is KUSUM scheme for farmers. A hybrid AC/DC smart microgrid is also being developed in this project for integration of solar photovoltaics and biogas with the utility grid and ensuring a rational end use of renewable energy in the microgrid. The integration and export of solar and biogas power to the grid provides a stable source of additional income to the farmers, and access to solar-powered value chain machinery for agriculture and dairy that is being developed in this project will also increase the profit for farmers. A preliminary techno-economic analysis shows the payback period of solar agriculture farm as 6 years, which is at par with conventional ground-mounted solar farms. Apart from agriculture sector, the multiple land use solar structures can find applications in many other sectors, for example, solar highways, Indian railways, hospitality, universities, and so on. A state-of-the-art microgrid research laboratory has been developed in IIT Roorkee from this project. The project site in Dayal Educational Institute is a living laboratory for students of skill-based certificate and diploma courses, UG and PG degree courses such as BVOC, MVOC, BTech, MTech and PhD, helping in skilling as well as state-of-the-art research and development.